Hello. Our goal today is to show you the amazing modularity and versatility of our Firefly Wildland Pack. The Firefly is actually two packs in one. It can either be web gear or it can be a line pack. It's a very simple 4-buckle and 2-zipper attachment system, and it works like this. When you want to take the gear bag off, you unbuckle the compression strap, the 2 side compression straps. The bag opens up and you will see a zipper here. Undo that zipper. There's a zipper in the front. Undo that zipper. And the gear bag comes right off the pack. Then it's very easy to take the remaining zipper parts, the male and the female side, reattach the zipper like that, bring the bag back up, reattach the compression straps, and the SCS strap on the back. Make a slight adjustment in the tension of this back strap, and you now have a line pack with the ability to carry personal effects, your fire shelter, fusees in the fusee pocket, and there's actually a compartment built into the back panel that will hold 3 liters of water. So 2 packs in one. Web gear and a full-on line pack with this really cool additional option of being able to turn this pack into a line medic pack. Very simply, I'm going to open the pack back up, take our medic bag, and you can see the colored compartments for your medical supplies. Set the bag onto the pack, reattach the 2 zippers, take the buckles that you just unclipped, reattach those buckles along with the side compression straps. And you're ready to head out onto the fire line and respond to a medical emergency. So in addition to your ability to carry either a traditional gear bag or the line medic gear bag, we also have that additional modularity that we talked about on the hip belt. This MOLLE attachment system allows you to attach multiple accessory products that we manufacture: personal pouch, accessory pockets, hose clamp pouch, or your fire shelter. All right, well, thank you for sitting in on our Firefly Line Medic Pack informational webinar. For additional information or additional help, go to www.truenorthgear.com, and you can either get assistance from our customer service team, or you can reach out to the members of the sales team to get question answered or additional help.